moment of truth.
Welcome to Crafting Legacy, episode 18.
What's up, vlog? We're here at Royal Woodbine Golf Course in Toronto. Yeah, we're shooting a little FAQ video about our cigar carrier. No perfect time to use it than on the golf course. I might squeeze in a little promo video for the site golf tournament that I'm heading up.
All right, take two. Go.
Some things aren't meant to be rushed. Like a good round of golf, a fine cigar. This is craftsmanship that you carry and luxury that moves with you.
So I'm signing into Adobe Lightroom, going to see the first selects of Daniel's photos from the Bucket Bag campaign. So hopefully he selected well. Let's see how all of our hard work panned out. So, the moment of truth. I don't have permission. Would you believe that?
Okay, hang on. Let me go back to the settings. You should have access. Lightroom. I know why you're signing with with a different email. Initially, I invited you from montecoe.com.
Yeah, that's what I just signed in with.
Oh, that's weird. I don't know then.
Why? What did it say?
And then, yeah, whatever. Oh, you're there.
All right, let's review. 224. That's not bad. How many did we take from the beginning?
600 something.
Okay, so you've cut it down a bunch already.
Yeah.
Don't get this content on there.
I'll blur it out.
Yeah, perfect. And these are so good. I honestly really like the casual looks that we did too. And it's amazing because it really shows the versatility of our bag. So what's the next step you want from me to make selects of which ones I want you to edit, right?
Yeah.
But I'm just bringing it to your attention now. Like, all of these files were sent. Yeah, April 22nd, I sent you that logo. No, we can't. There's going to be offices all over the world, so you can't have two different logos because that'll make us look even more stupid. It was just a mix-up of logos. Our customer sent us a logo, and then they changed it. We sent it to the factory. We spoke about it on a phone call. It seemed like we were on the same page, but apparently they never saw a second logo, so they were always talking about the original one. Doesn't really make sense to me, but look, we just got to add additional processes on both of our ends, which we just agreed on, so these things don't happen.
Is it frustrating?
Yeah, of course. It's just like we're a customer-centric company, and like we make little mistakes on our customer on tight timelines. It doesn't look good on us, even though some of these things are, I guess everything could be avoidable, but look, it happens. It just doesn't look good on us, and like, look, we're trying our best here day in and day out, and we just always want our customers to be happy. So hopefully they're still happy. If they're not, we'll do something special for them.
If you like this video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more behind the scenes of our brand. And I'll see you in the next video.